stands expelled from the Wiper Democratic Movement for violating the Constitution and the rights of Kenyans, and even abusing Kenyan mothers. Thank you, and God bless you. Mheshimiwa Kioni
seems to have staged a civilian coup because he has refused to constitute the IEBC. It's been confirmed here by Muturi that the abductions were really under his command, because he's the one who made the call and the young man was released. So if your son or daughter is released and you cannot get hold of William Ruto, what does that mean to us? We are on our own. When we have the likes of Sudi, Kamket, Kimani Ichung'wah, and Farah Marin, allowing the utterances that we have heard from their mouths in the presence of William Ruto, and to the amusement of him, William Ruto, kwa sababu yeye ndiye alikuwa anapiga makofi kuliko wananchi wanapotukana watu. It means that the center is not holding, and we as Kenyans must heed the call that has been made by our leader, and we must prepare to do what the South Africans are the people of South Korea have done. It is time for us to go and arrest William Samoei Ruto from State House, because we are on our own. Hakuna kitu kingine tunangojea, na hakuna Mkenya anangojea kuambiwa Ruto ni mbaya. Wanajua ni mbaya kukuliko wewe mwenyewe. Hakuna jambo unaweza sema kwamba anaweza saidia sisi nalo. It is upon us to organize ourselves and get Ruto home, us as leaders na sisi wote wa Kenya. And I want to add this: any person within the KK administration who chooses to remain until the end, or who chooses to leave earlier than the end, and the end can be earlier than that end you think of 2027. Wewe usikuje kutumiwa kuleta mambo ya kugawanyishwa kati yetu. Come, join us, so that we are one unit that is ready to remove Ruto. Usije kuanza kuleta mipango ingine mpya, kwa sababu you will have confirmed that you are actually an agent of William Ruto, na utakuwa ukimsaidia kutimiza yale akina Kamketu wanasema.